All right, everybody. I'm back for number 3. And learning from last coaster, I'm going to put less grain down this time. That's my Titan Green by Glidden. It's my Chantilly Lace Pearl combination. Just so you know, all the recipes, colors, and other valuable information will be in the description if you click on the title of the video. 24 karat gold with iridescent gold. Burnt Sienna, golden. Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold's twin sister. Slightly, almost a twin. Almost the same color. Iridescent Bronze by Glidden. And then my last color is Obsidian by DecoArt. Oh, I'm getting low on this. So the whole point of these coasters, as I mentioned in the other video, is me and my neighbor up the street, oh my God, are making, we're not sure what we're making yet, but it's going to require some interesting creation, and we're using earth tones. My American Floetrol Cell Activator. Got the white. And the black. Get my lungs going. Oh, jeez. So while I'm blowing out, I'm going to talk through this. I'm trying to blow in a perfect circle down straight into the cell activator to have it form a little bit of a ridge. Once I get the ridge going, then I want to blow that ridge out over the paint. I want the cell activator to blow out over the paint and the paint to blow out over the pillow in like a little wave blowing into shore. I'm sorry if you've heard this 100 times, but if you're new, that's what I try to think of when I'm blowing out. And this is the critical part of the bloom. Interesting blow. Everyone is different. Still have plenty of green. Glad I toned down the green. So just stretching it to the edges. Wait for the middle to come back. I think I put too much cell activator down. The last one, it bounced back really nice, but this one's taking its time. So I think I have too much. So in my experience, if your cell activator is not bouncing back, it's either the consistency's not right or you put too much down. So it's either too thick or you laid it on too thick. Either way, let me give it a blow. Just want to get it all over the edges. I've mentioned in prior videos, if you don't have the edges covered, it's almost like it acts as a brake and it won't want to flow in that direction. All right, let's get this thing going. My third coaster. I think I mentioned in a prior video that I had my niece and her family over the other day for the weekend, and we made some coasters. And I'm going to put a video up about how that turned out. And I was so proud of how they all did. They did fantastic. Nobody had ever done a pour before, and they did great. So it just goes to show, because they used my stuff here, and the recipe works. The hardest part, as you would expect, is the blow. It was a challenge. But on the whole, they did good. It was especially challenging for the youngest twins because they were 13, they're not as tall as me, so it was hard to get totally over the top of the paint of the cell activator when they were trying to blow it out. So of course it was more of a challenge because it was hard to reach. I should have had them up on a ladder or something. But they're all of theirs turned out great. So like I mentioned in a prior video about components, you know, the consistency, the recipe, the composition, the colors you pick. By the way, they picked all their own colors. And we mixed them up. And it was so much fun. I actually had to spend time to show them and teach them before we did it. I gave them one lesson. And then I said, let's do it. And it was a lot of fun. It was just a lot of fun. So my plan is to resin the coasters and get them out to them. Go back to Raleigh, or they'll come out here. Oh, this is really pretty. That green in the middle is just so calm. It's such a calm color. It's very relaxing. You know, you want your paints to evoke a feeling. Wow, I love it. I love my little frame. As I've mentioned in prior videos, I think I've been really inclined to keep corners on to some degree, and I call it my frame because it just makes the coaster look tidy. Just my opinion. Somebody else might not like that, but you know what? That's okay. But this is beautiful. Look at the lacing in this thing. I'll hold it up to you in a second. The lacing is fantastic. The cells are beautiful. The green is just enough. The gold, of course, and the burnt sienna are playing really nicely together. So here's this guy. Number 3. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Very happy with this. So everyone, that's a wrap. Here's the coaster we just made, and then the other 3 that were part of the set. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was quick, but hopefully to the point. I'm going to link my Bloom Coaster playlist at the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get all my latest art tutorials. Thanks.